Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by signing into your Apple ID in Settings because iCloud requires an active Apple account. Once signed in, make sure you're on a reliable Wi-Fi network and ideally plugged into power. Uploads can be large. Next, update iOS so iCloud features match Apple's current services. After the update completes, open Settings, tap your name, and head into iCloud. You're ready for the first sync toggles and will be guided through enabling the core services. Now decide what data to sync. This controls bandwidth and storage. In iCloud settings, enable contacts, calendars, notes, and any app toggles you need, because each toggle starts background syncing. For photos, turn on iCloud Photos and pick Optimize iPhone storage if space is limited, or download and keep originals to keep full files locally. Also enable iCloud Drive and Messages in iCloud so files and conversations. Finish by initiating a manual iCloud backup. Go to iCloud Backup and tap Backup Now because that forces resumable uploads. Then verify by visiting iCloud.com or another signed-in Apple device to confirm contacts, photos, and files appear. If something doesn't sync, first check your iCloud storage. Lack of space commonly blocks uploads. If storage is fine, sign out of iCloud and sign back in, reboot your iPhone, and retry. These steps resolve most stuck sync jobs quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.